This essay proposes that the formation and current shape of Earth can best be understood through a hybrid model that combines the biblical creation account with both uniformitarian and catastrophic processes. By doing so, we gain a clearer and more balanced view of Earth's natural and spiritual history. The origins of Earth and its geological features have long sparked discussion among believers and scientists alike. By analyzing the biblical creation account alongside observable natural processes, we can see a compelling model emerge that blends the ideas of catastrophism and uniformitarianism into one harmonious theory. This theory maintains reverence for Scripture while also respecting geological evidence. According to Genesis, Earth began with water covering its surface. On the third day, God caused dry land to appear out of the water. This moment marked the beginning of an up and out movement, land rising and spreading outward, forming the early Earth's terrain. This could correspond to what science refers to as Pangea, a single supercontinent. This period allowed for uniform processes like erosion, volcanic activity, and sedimentation to gradually shape and expand the land over millions of years, well before the creation of mankind. As the land formed and ecosystems developed, God created sea creatures and land animals to prepare the earth for humans. Eventually, Adam and Eve were placed in a region that corresponds with modern-day Mesopotamia, possibly near the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Humanity began from that central point, and after the scattering at Babel, people spread outward into newly forming lands. Even before mankind, the earth may have been experiencing shifts caused by tectonic movement. Rather than seeing continents as isolated and drifting pieces, it makes more sense to view them as a single connected crust with submerged lowlands. When land broke apart, it was not floating or drifting over a soft mantle in isolation, but rather reshaping and cracking while still connected beneath. This still aligns with the concept of tectonic plates and helps visualize how land could shift and deform while remaining part of a unified structure. The flood in Noah's time acted as a global catastrophic event that accelerated this process. Massive geological upheaval combined with the collapse of the canopy and the bursting of subterranean waters further pushed land outward. Valleys sank, mountains rose, and the waters filled the lowlands, forming today's oceans. Even after the waters receded, they didn't return to their pre-flood state. Instead, they remained in place, giving Earth its current layout. This theory proposes that today we live on elevated terrain, what used to be the highlands. What we call sea level is not the original baseline, but a new normal after the flood. This could mean that our atmospheric pressure of 14.7 psi might actually be lower than what it was in the original valley-like paradise conditions. The higher you go in elevation, the less atmospheric pressure there is. So, if the land was once lower, it would have experienced greater pressure. If land is restored in the future, as the Bible indicates in passages like Revelation chapter 21, verse 1, and Isaiah chapter 11, verse 9, then water will recede, land will become fruitful again, and atmospheric conditions may shift once more to favor human life in its ideal form. By combining uniformitarianism and catastrophism, we see that Earth's story is not exclusively gradual or sudden, it is both. Like the golden mean, the truth often lies in the balance. Uniform processes shaped Earth over time, while catastrophic events, divinely directed, reshaped and reset the planet at key moments. This hybrid model gives us a deeper appreciation of creation and a clearer picture of our planet's sacred and natural history.